So in this video, I want to talk about the Forte Series texture clay versus the molding paste. So in my last video, I actually checked out the molding paste and the argan oil, and I said that I would try it out for 30 days and obviously compare it to the Forte Series texture clay, which I've actually utilized for over a year now. So time's up. It has been over 30 days now. So now I actually want to compare the two products. But before I actually start, I saw that over 90% of you guys that are currently watching these videos aren't even subscribed yet. So if you're someone that actually loves videos like this and wants to see more content when it comes to the men's lifestyle, men's style, grooming, fashion, or whatever it is, please consider to hit the subscribe button down below, because I'm trying to aim for 10k subscribers. And if you actually consider to subscribe, you help your brother out. And feel free to always unsubscribe if you actually don't appreciate the content. So I hope that is a fair deal. Anyways, with that said, let's jump into the video. So when it comes to these two products, the Forte Series texture clay will actually give you a matte look and has a very strong hold. While when it comes to the Forte Series molding paste, this actually gives you more of a natural look but won't give you that strong hold. So therefore, when I was actually comparing these two products, obviously it just depends on the individual. And I personally like to actually have more of a natural look, and I don't particularly like to have very strong hold. But that's just personal preference. What about those individuals that actually would like to have more of a strong hold? And therefore I obviously tried both products out. And therefore I want to actually show you how I would personally use these two products to get my desired hairstyle. So obviously I will actually show you while using both products, but feel free to only use one of these two products if you actually want to get your hairstyle in a different way. Because I'm going to show you how I would personally do my hair in special occasions or just generally special events. Alright, so with that said, let's go to the bathroom. Alright, so now I want to talk about how I would personally use the Forte Series products to get my desired hairstyle. But before I actually talk a bit more about it and actually show it to you guys, I actually do want to put out a quick disclaimer. So I don't usually do this every single day, but if I actually want to look extra good or I want to simply look extra on point, this is usually what I do. And as you can probably tell, I just came out of the shower and therefore my hair is a bit wet. And therefore I'm going to use the argan oil first because it's a heat protectant against blow drying your hair. So let's do it now. So when it comes to this Forte Series argan oil, I actually started to use only 2 or 3 drops and it's quite efficient. So obviously let me put it on. There we go. That's it. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like after using the Forte Series argan oil, and now I'm gonna blow dry it. Alright, so I just finished blow drying, and as you can tell, my hair looks so much more healthy and it feels like it has so much more volume. But that's only how it looks like, because obviously if I do this, it is all gone. And therefore, that's why I'm going to the next product, the molding paste. Alright, so let me open it up. That's it. And then you just grab a nickel scoop amount of product. That's about it. And now I'm going to start to emulsify this product into my palms. And just simply start to rub it. And then it will just simply start to disappear. There we go. And now I'm going to put it into my hair. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like after using the molding paste. So obviously I've used it as a pre-styler, and to be honest, you can probably rock it throughout the rest of your day, but the only downside to this product is that it won't hold it for the rest of the day. And obviously that's why the next product you may want to consider is to actually use the texture clay, because obviously when I do this, it actually does hold more volume than obviously just using the argan oil, but it isn't as strong as the texture clay. Alright, so this is the Forte Series texture clay. So let me open it up. Alright. There we go. And this product is quite hard to get out of it, but it stays in your hair throughout the rest of your day. So that's a good thing. So just like the other product, you just grab a nickel-sized amount of product and then you emulsify it. There we go. So obviously, to emulsify this product, you actually have to use more strength than just the molding paste. Alright, let's use it. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like. And from obviously experience while using this product, I know that my hair will stay like this pretty much throughout the rest of the day. But when it comes to the texture clay, it is actually a matte product. So if you're someone that actually doesn't like it and would like to actually have a more natural finish, you may want to actually use the Forte Series molding paste as a post styler as well, because this way you obviously have more of the natural look instead of a matte look. So in that instance, I will only use a tiny bit, even less than a nickel sized amount of product, just to actually finish the look off. So let's do it. Alright. Alright, so this is the final look. So this is how my hair looks like. And as you can tell, it actually does have more of a natural look compared to a matte look with the texture clay. But if you actually don't use the texture clay, in my experience, your hair wouldn't stay in the same position as if you actually would have used the texture clay. So I actually personally like more of the natural look. And therefore, if you're someone that actually likes that as well, but still wants to actually have the hold and volume, I would probably recommend you to use the texture clay and then the molding paste for the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look, and as you can tell, my hair actually does have quite a lot of volume, but at the same time, it actually does look quite natural. So this is the hairstyle I would go for, and by utilizing the Forte products, I would do it in this particular order to actually achieve the desired hairstyle. Alright, so as you just saw when I was in the bathroom, you could actually see that while using the Forte Series texture clay, you actually get a more of a strong hold, while using the molding paste as a pre-styler or a post-styler will actually give you more of the natural look while still maintaining their strong hold integrity. So when it comes to these two products, obviously just feel free to use one of them if it actually suits you more. But they do actually complement each other quite nicely. But in my personal opinion, I most likely won't use both products plus the argan oil every single day, because obviously it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. So overall, when it comes to the Forte Series texture clay, it has a matte finished look, and at the same time, it actually gives you a very strong hold. But you can't use it as a post or pre-styler to obviously make these tiny tweaks to make your hair look much better. But when it comes to the molding paste, you can obviously use it as a post or pre-styler, and at the same time you can make those tweaks to actually get the desired hairstyle that you actually want. But obviously the downside of the molding paste is that it actually doesn't have that strong of a hold. So if you're someone that is actually looking for a strong hold, this won't help you as much as the texture clay. So obviously by combining it, it will actually help you out a bit more, but it will just simply take more time to actually help you get your desired hairstyle. So after using the Forte Series molding paste for 30 days, this is how much product I've got left. So obviously you can use it for a while if you only use a nickel-sized amount of product. So when it comes to the Forte Series texture clay, this is how much product I've got left after using it for over a year. But please do keep in mind that I didn't use it every single day, and I just used it from time to time when I actually wanted to have that strong look. But regardless, because the product is quite strong and is a very thick substance, and therefore it can actually last a while. So I hope this video actually truly helped you out when it comes to the Forte Series molding paste and texture clay, and therefore you actually understand what the purpose of these two products is, how you actually use them, or whether if you actually want to complement them, how you can actually complement them. So I hope this video helped you out when it comes to the Forte Series texture clay and the Forte Series molding paste. And at the same time, I hope that you actually now understand the difference between the two products and how to utilize it to get your desired hairstyle. I put a lot of effort in this video, and if you actually really enjoy it, please consider to hit the subscribe button or just simply leave a thumbs up or a nice comment, because that always makes my day as well. Anyways, I hope to see you in the other video. Bye bye.